Okay, Connor does not know I'm making this video yet. He's in a room. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sneak up on him, and somebody told me to do this. Like, whenever somebody comments and says and dares me to do a challenge or something, I'll do it. So yeah, remember that. Now I'm gonna blow a burp right into Connor's face. Okay, let's do this. What are you doing? Nothing. What are you doing? Ew. I hate you so much. Stop it! I want copyright. Connor does not know what copyright is, so okay, now I need to do it to my granny. My granny hates being recorded, so I'm just gonna do it to her. Hey, Granny.
What? No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Smells like ravioli, doesn't it?
Yes.
I just had ravioli earlier.
Let me see!
What do you want?
Let me see!
No. She's really mad because that cat we have, she never gets to play with it. Or she always wants to play with it, but she doesn't really get to. So she's really mad all the time. Okay, I'm gonna practice my devil burps. Hey, when I do this, that's actually breathing in. The first part, I breathe in. What do you want?
Let me see.
I'm not doing anything. I'm making a video.
Let's see this.
Can you burp? If you can burp, then I'll let you on the channel.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait,
Do something.
Stop it.
Smell bad? Hey, right. You hit the camera right out of my hand. Okay, that hurts. Ow. All right. You're being a bad girl.
The blanket. Dude, stop.
How does it smell? Okay.
It smells like Coke and like
Ravioli. Okay, come on. Come on. Turn that off. Pause it and come on. Come on. We got a challenge for you.
Burp in my face.
No, that's the challenge. How many times I can burp in your face without you screaming?
Stop.
Come on. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny.
Oh.
No. Okay, say in the comments, like if you think Connor's a sissy. Because everybody does.
Dink, you don't want to smell him?
Come on. 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 Okay, I'll be right back when I get him to do this. To do it. So he's going to come down here.
If you have silicone, it's just young.
And he has to come down here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Normal burp. You have to breathe it in. You can't do that. You get minus points every time you blow. You go like do that, or you like cover your nose. Do anything like that. Okay. 2.
Okay.
Okay. Number 3. Let them hear you sniff. Go like this. Come on. Okay, double burp time.
I bite. Okay, so like ravioli and Coke.
Okay. We make that into a new challenge. What did Blake eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, who wants me to do a challenge like that?
I hope you don't eat poop, because that was...
No, why would I eat poop? Avery, get out. Okay.
Eat everything.
I'm just gonna eat like 3 things and see if he can sniff my burp and see if he can actually get it right. Who wants me to do that challenge? Say in the comments if you want me to do that challenge, because I want to.
And I'm not sissy anymore. So.
Yeah. Okay, End of the video. Avery, say bye.
Bye!
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys!